In this video, I'm going to share 3 tips about DaVinci Resolve that I wish I knew when I started. Let's get straight into it with tip number 1. When color correcting and color grading, always do your color correcting in DaVinci Wide Gamut. When working in this color space, it gives you the most flexibility to be adjusting your footage without losing or reducing the information in the footage. In this basic node tree, you can see here I take it from S-Log3 into DaVinci Wide Gamut using a color space transform. I do any correctional work in between, and then in this example, I take it from DaVinci Wide Gamut back to S-Log3, which leads us on to tip number 2. Always do the majority of your work before applying any LUTs. As you can see here, I've applied the LUT at the end. What you don't want to do is convert your footage from S-Log3 to Rec 709 using a LUT, and then do all of your correctional and grading afterwards. A lot of the time, this will lead to a dramatic reduction in quality of your footage. Tip number 3. When using a plugin like Dehancer, always use them when you're working in DaVinci Wide Gamut. As you can see here, I have this node which has Dehancer placed on it here when I'm working in DaVinci Wide Gamut. And I'm telling Dehancer what color space it should expect inside the plugin. Again, this will give you the widest color space to be working in with your footage. Bonus tip, and this is a quick one. If you have found yourself needing to use a noise reduction node, always place this at the start of your node tree. It is best practice to try and clean up your raw footage before any kind of color or correctional work. I hope this video has been some help, and I'll see you in the next one.